Hi everyone, my name is Rebekah Demirel. I'm a registered acupuncturist and East Asian medicine practitioner, and I'm also a clinical counselor specializing in trauma. I've really missed seeing everybody during this current health crisis. And my office is now closed, but I am offering e-therapy to my counseling clients and telemedicine to my acupuncture and East Asian medicine clients. My website is www.lovethepoint.com. Today I am going to show you how to use Acupoints and acupressure on those points to help any symptoms that you have of cold and flu. This is just going to help you feel a lot better. And this is first video in the series that I'm going to be doing of different videos to help support everyone during this really challenging time that we're in. So here goes. The first point I want to show you is large intestine 4. So looking at the back of the hand, in this triangle of muscle between the index finger and the thumb, about an inch in, if you start massaging this point, you'll feel how tender this is. Large intestine 4 is the command point for the head and face. And so this is going to help headaches, toothaches, anything with the eyes, and especially the sinuses. If you have blocked sinuses or a runny nose, this will certainly help. And you can massage both hands, so always do these points bilaterally. When you massage it, it's going to be tender, and I encourage you to massage it right on the tender point. You don't have to do it too hard, but hard enough so that you feel the tenderness, so you feel a sensation. Large intestine 4, great point. The next point is on the leg. So we're going to move down to the leg here. And this is on the medial or inside of the leg. This bump here is called the medial malleolus. So you're going to use your 4 fingers and go to the top of the bump and measure upward. And just off this bone, this tibia, just below this bone, you're going to find this point. And that would be about 3 inches up from the top of this bone. This is spleen 6, a really important point for immune function. So massage that, and again, do both sides. I want to say that those first 2 points that I showed you, large intestine 4 and spleen 6, should not be used if you are pregnant. Okay, moving along, another point on the leg, very important for immune function, is stomach 36. So if we bend the leg at a right angle like this, you'll find below the kneecap there's these 2 little indentations. So we call this the calf's nose, because it's like the nostrils on a little calf. So using your 4 fingers, go to this lateral calf's nostril, and go down and find the tibia, this bone here, and go just off the side of it, right here. Let me use my other hand. And this is stomach 36. So you can massage this on both legs. This is really good for your immune function. Okay, some points for the chest and abdomen I'd like to show you are on the wrist. First one is on the underside of the wrist, and you're going to use 3 fingers, and you go from the crease of the wrist and upward between these 2 tendons, okay, measuring with the 3 fingers right here. This is pericardium 6. This is also a command point for the chest and abdomen. So anything to do with stuffiness or fullness in the chest, anything to do with the abdomen, stomach pain, any kind of nausea especially. This is a seasickness point that's used very commonly by people. This is pericardium 6. On the opposite side of the wrist, using the 3 fingers, again from the crease of the wrist up, between the tendons and bones there, you're going to find triple warmer 5. And this is good for anything to do with intestinal distress. So it could be diarrhea, it could be constipation. In fact, you can massage these 2 together by using your finger and thumb because they're right opposite one another. So you can just do this. And again, do that bilaterally on both wrists. 2 more great points I want to show you for cold symptoms especially. And these are not points on the meridian channels. They are what we call extra points. So this is the cold point. So you go from the index finger and you ride all the way down to this bump, this fleshy pad off the thumb called the major thenar eminence. So all the way down and find the tender point. Okay, find the tender point and massage it. So this will help with a lot of cold symptoms. in your head, in your chest, any kind of dizziness, wooziness, this helps a lot. So massage this, again, do both sides. The last point I want to show you is for sore throats, and this is almost a miraculous point for sore throats. So it's on the back of the hand, between the ring finger and the middle finger. Find the knuckles there and just get right in there and massage that tender point. And it's going to be quite tender. If you have a sore throat, it's going to be quite tender, but this is really going to help. So do massage this several times a day, both hands. Use all these points for boosting your immune function. Other things that can boost your immune function is getting enough sleep, drinking enough water, having a laugh if you can, whenever you can, talking with friends, just loving one another. And please take good care of yourself. Like I said, this is one in the series that I want to do to support you, to support us all during this time. If we take good care of ourselves, we can take better care of one another. Bless you all. See you again soon. Namaste.